Hello magical friends, I am your friend and law of attraction coach Magical Mohit, and today I want to share with you how to attract money in 24 hours. Yes, this is one of the most powerful practice for everyone to attract money in 24 hours. I have been doing this practice from long time and I have seen magical results, and I also teach this in my advanced workshop, but today I am going to share this with all of you guys. And I believe that every single one of you will see the results after following this practice within 24 hours. So this is a very powerful practice, and before I teach you, before I share with you how to do this, I want you guys to understand one thing. Money is the most easiest thing to attract in life. Yes, money is the most easiest thing, because if you are a law of attraction follower, you know that you can attract everything that you want, but money especially is by far the most easiest thing to attract. Yes, so money is nothing but energy, it is all around us. It's like air. Money is like air, you can breathe in as much as you want, you can breathe out as much as you want. So the flow of money should be there all the time. Money likes to be flown, money likes to be spent. So if you attract money, you should also spend money, because the flow of money, the flow of energy should always be there. So how to attract money in 24 hours? Yes, this is the most powerful video that I have made this year. And this is going to be one of the by far most amazing, most exciting practice that I'm going to share with you guys today. So today, like tonight, before you go to sleep, what you have to do is you have to take your wallet, take out all the money, whether it is 1,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees. Keep your money, hold the money in your hand and look at the note, look at the money in your hand, and tell yourself, I love money and money loves me. Money comes to me very easily and effortlessly. Repeat this affirmation for 5 minutes. Money comes to me very easily and effortlessly. I love money and I deserve the best of everything. My life is full of abundance of money and prosperity everywhere I go. Money comes to me from multiple sources of income. I attract unexpected money every single day of my life. Repeat this 5 to 6 lines again and again and again, and keep the money here on your heart. We have this, energy, heart chakra here. Keep money here. Say thank you, thank you, thank you. After doing this 5-minute affirmation on money, keep your money here on your heart and say thank you, thank you, thank you so much God, or thank you so much universe for giving me unexpected money in the next 24 hours. Do this and go to sleep. This should be done in the last 10 minutes of the day. Do this practice tonight just before you sleep. Go to sleep. Be happy that you are going to attract unexpected money in the next 24 hours. And tomorrow you will see the magic happen. Some of you might attract 5,000 rupees, some of you might attract 100 rupees, some of you might attract even 1 rupee, but yes, you are going to attract money, whether it is 1 rupee or 100 rupees or 1,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees, or it can be 1 crore rupees. It depends on person to person, it depends on your beliefs, it depends on your vibration, but yes, if you do this activity, you are going to attract money in 24 hours. I've tried this so many times, and every time I attract so many unexpected money from different sources. Do this activity, guys, and comment below how much money did you attract in 24 hours. Keep your mind open, believe that it is possible, believe in yourself. Love this exercise, enjoy it, have fun, and just do it in the last 10 minutes. Yes, last 10 minutes tonight, because this is the most powerful way to do this activity. So thank you so much guys for watching the video. Share it with your friends. Let them also attract more money in their life. Do it with your friends and family members, right? This is very important that everyone should be happy, positive, rich, living a prosperous life. I want everyone to live their dream lives. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. Thank you once again, and have a magical day. Thank you.